Hi, my name is Perla, and the topic we will be talk about is preserving our environment. And what is environment? The environment is a complex or physical, chemical, and biotic factors that act upon an organism or an ecological community and ultimately determine its form and survival. And what is the most important in the environment? I think flora and fauna are vital important to the environment as they are interdependent, enabling the balance of species and the development of biodiversity. The environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth, and it's composed of ecosystems. Here we have some images of various ecosystems. Earth is a home for different living spaces, and we all are dependent on the environment for food, air, water, and other needs. Therefore, it's important for every individual to save and protect our environment. Preservation is a much structured approach where the environment, lands, and natural resources are put away not to be consumed by humans, but are instead maintained in their pristine form. How important is the preservation of all living things? It provides us with oxygen, food, clothes, and health. They are also important for the socioeconomic development of society. Environmental conservation is the practice of us humans saving to environment for the loss of species and destruction of ecosystems, primarily due to pollution and human activities. Environmental conservation guarantees and ensures the environmental services better known as ecosystem services provided by natural through which we satisfy our basic needs. Conservation are vital in saving and helping both animals and trees as we all depend on one another for survival.
Now, the question is, why is preservation necessary? Since 1800, the population on Earth has been increasing from 1 million to 7 million people today, and an increasing people means greater demand of water, food, lumber, and other resources that come from natural environments and are not enough to human demand. An increasing demand can drive people to exploit resources, even in regions well protected by preservation laws. There are different types of human activities which are attributed to the environmental disasters, which include deforestation, disposal of hazardous waste, global warming, overpopulation, pollution, and that includes acid rain, acidification, change in the climate, animal extinction, etc. Preservation allows us to have healthy ecosystems that clean our water, purify our air, maintain our soil, regulate the climate, recycle nutrients, and provide us with food. They also provide raw materials and resources for medicine and other purposes. We also have 10 things that we can do to help to protect the air. The first is reduce, reuse, and recycle. We can cut down on what we throw away and follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landfill space. The second thing we can do is volunteer. We can volunteer or for cleanups in our community, and we can get involved in protecting our watersheds, parks, etc. The third thing we can do is conserve water. The less water we use, the less runoff and wastewater ends up in the oceans, and we can conserve marine life. The fourth thing we can do is educate. When we further our own education, we can help others to understand the importance and value of our natural resources. The fifth thing we can do is plant a tree. The trees provide food and oxygen, and they help us to save energy, clean the air, and combat the climate change. And the last thing we can do is don't send chemicals into waterways, choose non-toxic chemicals in the home and the office for cleaning, and that water, and use that water for another things.